Hello, this is Geofrey Garcia from Realty. And guess what? It's been 6 months since I hold this property here in Antioch, California. And now we're going to see how's this family doing right now. Come on, let's go. Check it out. Welcome to the Cooking Realtor. And today I'm with the Mata family. I want to introduce you, Sherwin and Jizzle Mata.
I'm Sherwin Mata. I was with Navy for 11 years. Came here in 2021 and my home buying journey began.
So I'm Jaisal, the wife of Sherwin. We've been married for 15 years and now we settled here in California.
And as the realtor helping them last year looking for a home, I'm very grateful for that. This is the least I can do for those who serve our country. So today we're here to cook food for them. That's what I'm gonna cook, a shrimp taco for the whole family. And guys, just to let you know, when Sherwin went to the military in Daly City, they used to live in San Francisco, okay? And when he goes to the boot camp, I was the one dropping him off at the recruitment center. That was like 11 years ago. And now seeing him coming back from the service, selling a house, this beautiful house, for me, it's a very humbling experience. Ano yung feeling nung nahanapan niyo yung property na to?
Siyempre, there's an excitement na na makatira ka na dun sa bahay. And especially brand new yung bahay.
Yeah, I know you are so excited. Almost every time you come over here, you call me, hey, I'm here at the house. I'm gonna go check again. And again, those are the beauty of purchasing a new construction house. So how important was the role of a real estate agent helping you throughout your home buying journey?
Well, everything. You want a real estate agent na alam ang ginagawa. May access sila sa lahat ng mga information sa housing market na wala kami.
How does it feel for both of you and even with the kids handing over those keys?
Gabi pa lang noon, bago yung kinaumagahan na makukuha ko yung susi, talagang excited na.
Yeah, excited. Sobrang blessed.
Yeah.
And surreal pa kuya eh. Parang totoo na ba yan yung susi?
Yeah.
Sobrang grateful sa Panginoon talaga kuya. Kasi ang dami din nating hinanap na bahay. Until binigay niya yung best talaga para sa amin. Tapos yung araw na yun, we got the key. Parang it's still, sabi niya, sa'yo talaga yan. Sabi ni Lord, sa'yo yan. Kaya sobrang masaya. So happy, very happy po.
Sherwin, Jaisal, thank you so much for opening your beautiful house. Thank you for letting us in. Thank you for letting me use your beautiful kitchen over here. We really appreciate it. Any last message you want to share to upcoming first-time home buyer?
When you're ready, get a real estate agent that you trust. I'm very thankful sa'yo, Geoff.
Kung wala ka, sa help mo, wala kami nito ngayon. We don't have this kitchen, we don't have this house. So, thank you, Kuya. I mean, Geoff, thank you. Yung real estate agent talaga will help you to find your dream house katulad namin.
Cheers, guys. Cheers for this new house, beautiful house. Again, congratulations. Thank you for the trust that you've given me. It's my pleasure working with you. And I always tell my clients, we're going to cross the finish line together. This is Geofrey Garcia with Realty, your cooking realtor, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.